Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by lowering the window and removing the interior door panel so you can access the handle backing plate. Use a plastic trim tool and 2 Phillips screws to free the panel safely. Remove the water shield and set it aside. Remove 2 T20 Torx screws that secure the handle assembly. Unclip the electrical connector and set it aside carefully. Keep all fasteners in a labeled container. This gives clear access to the handle actuator and linkage for inspection and repair. With the handle assembly removed, inspect the actuator and linkage for broken plastic clips, excessive play, or corrosion that prevents movement. Inspect electrical contacts and the cable for fraying. Replace the actuator if the motor is noisy or does not engage. If you replace parts, confirm part numbers match the VIN and use OEM or equivalent components. Apply 0.5 ml silicone grease to the sliding surfaces and pivot points to restore smooth operation and prevent sticking over time. Reconnect the electrical connector and test the handle operation before final reassembly to confirm the actuator and linkage move smoothly. Reinstall the handle assembly and the 2 T20 Torx screws, hand tightening evenly and then adding a small quarter turn to seat components. Avoid over-tightening. Replace the water shield and snap the interior door panel back into place. Cycle the door open and closed 10 times and check the locking and sensor functions to ensure consistent operation and no false readings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.